So let's see, I will share my screen as I have one of the topics. I'm not sure if another presenter will be here. Okay. So what I propose to change, I propose to add some new additions to our technical guidelines. It's based on some conversation about where like business logic should go and where it should not go in Magento. So what I propose to add to our technical guidelines to the presentation layer. One item configuration for the presentation layer should be declared in corresponding application area. This includes events and plugins that customize presentation layer. Then one exception, I think, configuration that applies to all areas can be declared in global area. So I don't know, any comments on that? And I still need my team to review it, by the way.
Do we actually have any presentation logic which should be declared in global area?
I don't know if we have, like sometimes I don't know actually if we can have it. So you say that this item may not be needed, right?
Yeah, at least off the top of my head, looks like we usually declare business logic in global area and presentation logic in specific areas. I'm not sure what it means if you create presentation logic in global area.
It will mean that we want to apply it to REST API, to just regular front end, to backend, to admin panel. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, then I guess it would make sense for me to go and look what exactly we have and if it makes sense, and see if this item is really needed. And we'll need to see if we should change should to must then. Any other comments to this item? Okay, then next one. Next one is in service contracts. So right now we don't have anything published in service contracts. We are still working on the documentation here, but I still want to start from some of the items. So domain business logic must be executed on the service contracts layer. Any customizations to the domain business logic must be executed on the service contracts layer, and so must be declared in global area. Does it make sense? Or should it be rephrased somehow?
Yeah, it makes sense. I have just one note that currently it is not always possible to do customization only on service contract layer, especially when we have some API on models and API on service contracts. And then you have to actually do customization in two places, because it is possible that model will be used directly, or then service contract will be used. It is related to, let's say, catalog. As far as I know, third-party developers have to customize it in both places, not only on service contracts, but it is probably desired state, like you described it as desired state.
So again, I think the most important thing is that it should not be on the presentation layer, and this is the biggest mistake that we have in this area. It can be in service contracts, it can be in models, and it should be working fine, I think. I don't know if I need to rephrase it somehow so that like it should be on service contracts layer or lower layers, I don't know. Or should we just keep it like this, and this is what we want to achieve, and that's fine.
Should we say the main layer, or we don't have the main layer as such? Because I believe the main layer includes service contracts and models. Because like in point 641, you say the main business logic, and then Okay, I don't know. We can discuss like terminology.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so right now I used what we have here. Maybe we should have definition for the main layer. I don't know. Then
yeah, it probably should come with service contract technical vision.
Okay. So for now we can leave it as is, and if we add the main layer, we probably can move this one there. Okay. Okay. What else? And that's it actually. Everything else is just duplication for other versions of the document. Okay, who we have? Andrew, Igor, Alexander, and any other comments? So right now, what I understand, I just need, there are some concerns about this item and everything else is okay. And then I will look at it and I'll send it to the chat when it's ready. And I'll ask to approve from, or I don't know, like review again from you guys. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Okay, we don't have Suvarov today. Any other topics? We don't have any more topics listed. Anything else ad hoc? I don't know. Then I think we are we are done for today, and you have more time to do something else. Bye, everyone.
Bye.